we become fluent in 30 days? Is it possible? So what should we do for that? So I have prepared something for you. By that you can become fluent in 30 days. So what do you have, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel Improve with Jyoti. If you want to improve your English, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon जिससे कि आपको हमारी आने वाली सभी वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे। तो इस वीडियो में हम जानने वाले हैं we are going to learn in this video how can we become fluent in 30 days. What is a plan for that? And first of all, I am going to tell you one story related to that. So there was a boy, his name was Prince. So he took part in a school for dance, but he was doing practice at home daily for dance. But he was not getting one step. By that, he was very confused and he was getting very irritated because whenever he was going to do that step, he was falling down. So his father told him that you have to not give up. Beta, you have to not give up. But he was trying daily. Then he was going to do one step. He was failing again and again. But one day his sister saw him a video. By that he got how to do that step. He learned and he did very well dance. And that time came to go to school, and he went there and he did well performance and he got a prize. And there were many children from other school as well, but he got first prize in all. So by this story we got that if we do practice for something, if we are doing anything and we are not give up, so by that we can do practice well and we can achieve whatever we want to achieve in our life. So जो भी हम चाहते हैं ना उसके लिए प्रैक्टिस करते हैं तो हमें जरूर हासिल होता है। ऐसा नहीं है कि हमें हासिल ना हो, हम प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं। So people have fear that they are not able to speak. They says that I will speak from tomorrow. I am not speaking today. So it is not going to happen. We have to come. Suppose you are in water, you have to come from that water. Then you can speak. Okay? So what I have prepared for this video, how can we become fluent in 30 days? So आपको क्या करना है? In 30 days, you have to give time 30 minutes every day. What you have to do? 15 minutes you have to do practice for listening. So now you have a question that ma'am, I don't have what I have to listen. I don't have partner, so I have also then solution. If you don't have partner, if you have partner, okay. If you don't have partner, I have a solution for you. So first of all, you have a question that what should be listened in 15 minutes daily, and you have to not skip a single day as well. So what are you going to listen? There are many I listen podcast, TED Talk, and there are many English stories, cartoon stories you can listen. You have to not go directly in tough. You have to listen simple. If you are able to understand that, you can go for tough. First you have to listen simple. And podcast and their English speech, Sunshine English, these I follow. I am going to talk. If you have extra time, if you want to listen other thing, you can watch like a cartoon movies. That is also beneficial for you. And they like a English stories channel. That is also this. In that we get cartoon videos and we understand easily and we get new vocabs. And what you have to do, if you are watching any video, you have to watch with subtitle. It is very important. You know that what you have to do, you have to start with subtitle and pause that. You have to read. If you have to read that what is that character saying, and you have to listen, observe that thing, and you have to repeat that what is that speaking, and you have to read and speak. So by that what will happen? You will do two practice together. You will speak and you will listen. Both practice you are going to do, and you have to think that if someone is saying that he got mad and she got mad, you have to not think about people. You have to do your practice. You have to give your performance daily. How can you become fluent early? So you have to not follow other people. You have to see yourself. What are you going to do? And you can listen these things. These are very English speech and podcast, that is very important for you for listening. I also listen these things. It is very it is very beneficial for me. I listen. Okay, so what can you listen? You have to do practice daily 15 minutes, and you have to not do you are not doing, and you have to make a routine, daily routine, you have to do. And whenever you get time, I'm not saying that you have to do, you can make a plan that I have to do this daily and in evening. So if you want to do in evening, so you can do in evening. If you want to do in morning, so morning. So you have to do these things. It is very beneficial for listening. And what can you do for speaking? There is a way for speaking. What can you do? There are 4 weeks in a month. So what are you going to do? In first week, you have to speak your daily routine. Morning to evening, what do you do? Morning to evening, what do? You have to speak. If you want to record audio, then okay. If you don't want, then also okay. So you have to speak whatever you did. And if you don't have time in morning, you can do in night as well. If directly we are not going to sleep, it takes a 15 minutes or 20 minutes. So that time you can speak daily routine daily. But at least you have to speak daily 15 minutes. And second week, what are you going to do? You can do you have to start your camera and you have to record a video. I'm going to give you some topics, 7 topics. Daily you have to speak on one topic. By that, what will happen if you are looking a camera, you are speaking in camera? So by that, you will remove your hesitation. You will see yourself, your body language, your posture, your eye contact. You are talking in that camera, so you will your eye contact will be on camera. So by that, you can see yourself, and by that it will increase your confidence, will be boost. Okay, so it is also beneficial for you, and your speaking practice will be daily by that. And third week, what are you going to do? You have to take any picture, you have to describe. If you don't have any picture, whatever in your home, you can describe them. Okay, so you have to describe like that. I can see this thing in my room and it is doing like this thing. You can share. Suppose I am sitting in room and I am making video. This I am describing, and I am I am doing body language. I am speaking. I am facing a camera. This type you can speak, and you can take from Google search that I have to describe any picture. You can search on Google. You will get many picture there, and you have to describe there. What can you see? Like shadow, nature, people, they are talking, they are doing like a office work. There is a ladies that is doing house chores. This type things you can describe in pictures. This is very beneficial. By that, we can think. If we are describing anything, what happened with us, we think automatically in English. So it is very beneficial for us. So last week, what are we going to do? There is a Skype app. You know that Skype app that is totally free. You have to download, and there are many YouTubers. You can make a conversation with them. And as fluency also, that is in audio. But if suppose you are talking in audio, you cannot get more confidence. Yes, you can talk and you can become fluent in that. But if you are talking on like a Skype app, it is very beneficial. By that you will get confidence. If you have partner, okay, you can talk with your partner. If you have any friend, you can talk on Skype with friend. But you have to not do chatting, because chatting is not going to help you. By chatting, you are not going to speak. You have to make a video call. In that, you are going to, you can take topics. Suppose you are talking like a general conversation. In that, you will feel bored daily. You can't do. Okay, one day you can talk like a general conversation, and next 6 days you can talk like on topics. It will be beneficial for you, and you will learn how to talk on any topic. So it is very important we should know each and everything related to topic. Suppose someone is talking with us on topic and we are not able to give answer. We are not able because we didn't practice. So you have to practice on topics as well while making conversation. It is very beneficial. So what you have to do this month, you are going to do practice. If you didn't improve in January, you can improve in February, and you can see changes in yourself. And what you have to do, practice daily. It is not like that one day you are doing and next day you are not doing. You have to do daily. Suppose there is a child that try to stand daily, so he can stand one day, he can walk as well. So आपको अगर कोशिश करोगे ना, तो you can be perfect. अगर भी कोशिश करनी है, डेली बोलना है, आपको सोच लेना है यस हमें ये करना ही है. अगर आप सोचोगे नहीं, I will think that later. No. If you want to improve your English, you want to become fluent, you have to start from today. Don't think I will do tomorrow. Start from today. और आपको यह प्रैक्टिस डेली करनी है. बोलना है और सुनना है. जैसे कि हम सुनते हैं तो that is going to in our mind. We are getting time for think. We think that whatever we listen, we think that. Listening and speaking both are very important role in our speaking. अगर हमें किसी भी लैंग्वेज को सीखना है ना, तो हमें बोलना और सुनना दोनों की आदत डाल लेनी चाहिए. अगर हम सुनेंगे नहीं तो थॉट्स विल नॉट कम इन आवर माइंड. अगर बोलोगे नहीं तो यू कैन नॉट इम्प्रूव योर फ्लुएंसी. सो दोनों को इम्प्रूव करने, दोनों बोथ आर इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर इम्प्रूव आवर फ्लुएंसी. ओके, so I am not saying that you can become like a native speaker in 1 month, but you can see yourself and you will get confidence to speak, and you can speak in public as well. If you are able with conversation and you have done this much practice, so you can speak in public as well. So आपको क्या होगा, कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा, अपने आप ही कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा अगर आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे. अगर प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे तो कॉन्फिडेंस विल नॉट बिल्ड. ये ऑटोमेटिकली होता है. जैसे कि हम किसी भी चीज को डेली करते हैं, कॉन्फिडेंस अपने आप ग्रो होता है. ओके, सो मेरे अंदर, मैं अपनी बात बताऊं तो मैं दैट टाइम आई वॉज मेकिंग कन्वर्सेशन, फर्स्ट कन्वर्सेशन, एज यू कैन सी माई वीडियो, in that I was feeling very fear and nervousness. If you didn't watch my that video, how to remove fear of speaking English, watch this. It is going to help you. Okay, so how to remove fear and nervousness. I was not able to express my thought, and that time I started my conversation. Now I have seen my very changes in myself. I can speak confidently. That time I could not speak. I think first, should I speak on topic or not? If someone asks me any question, that person was speaking more, but that time I was not able to speak more. It was my mistake because I was not getting practice daily. Now I am doing practice. I am not saying that I am doing more practice because I am a homemaker. I have to do house chores and I have to handle baby, so I cannot do more. But at least I am doing practice for listening and speaking. Both are very important for improving English. So अगर आप भी अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करना चाहते हो, फ्लुएंट बनना चाहते हो, तो आज से ही अभी से स्टार्ट करना होगा. जब फ्लुएंट बन सकते हो, ऐसा नहीं है कि आप स्टार्ट करो, then you can see yourself. If that person is saying to you that you are making mistake, don't worry. Today you are making mistake, next day you will make mistake, and it will happen that gradually your mistakes will go in aside and your that fluency will come. You will be perfect. आपको परफेक्ट होना है तो कोशिश डेली करनी पड़ेगी. Some people they don't do practice. Have you listened that practice make perfect? अगर आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो परफेक्ट अपने आप बनोगे, कॉन्फिडेंस अपने आप होगा. यू विल बी अ कॉन्फिडेंस पर्सन. ओके, सो आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी है. क्या स्पीकिंग तो करनी है और साथ में लिसनिंग, बोथ आर very important. 30 minutes. I am not saying you have to do practice more. If you have more time, then you can give yourself more time. If you don't have enough time, you can give 30 minutes easily. You know that we have 24 hours. Can't we give 30 minutes for practicing? We are doing for ourselves, not for others. Okay? So if we want to improve our English, we want to become fluent, so we can do this much. It is not more. So आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी है और कुछ नहीं करना. And you can see and tell me in comment you are improving or not. Okay? Bye bye. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And don't